everybody, my name is Roxanne and welcome back to another reaction video. Today we are reacting to Funny Cat Memes compilation. If you guys are new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button, tap that bell to never miss another one of our videos. Without further ado, let's get into it. Here we go.
The thing you're competing for is literally
Mikey's a bitch.
So it's completely different. The way
I think he knows English. Yeah, I'd say so. That must have hurt. And that is a cute little kitten.
70%!
Oh jeez, that little kid screamed at me. I was expecting a toy fight. It was a cat. Oh no. That's funny. Is that cat okay? You saw how long that cat was standing on its two legs for, right? Like an out of time legs. That was funny. Oh. Okay. Seriously, what the sound effects did?
Da läuft Adolf Hitler.
Oh goodness. My mother hit me.
Aua.
Black and white cats are cool. You enjoying that cat? His face said everything.
Jump, dude. Oh, sorry.
Oh, that was funny.
Маша, ты чё, ебанутая?
Oh, that's weird looking. That is weird looking.
Ёбаный в рот, блядь.
So you have a cat on your neck while you're riding a bike. Nice multitasking, dude.
Freeman, why do we all have to wear these ridiculous ties?
Oh, the cat had a suit and tie on. That was funny. What? I turned my cat into a slug. Wait, what? No way. Man, that looked like a slug.
Oh.
Really right into the TV, bro. But the cat's having fun with that.
P for Papas. It's a Papas party. P for Papas. It's a Papas party. Yeah.
There we go. What is happening? No, man.
What is this? What is this?
What cat sits like that with his freaking arm like that, bro?
And why do you do it?
I woke up to see this. Okay, now that is just weird looking. That is a bit cursed if you ask me.
You don't hear it?
Yeah, I hear it.
That's a cat. Why does it get mad
What?
when I don't eat my hair?
No.
When I don't let it eat my hair? Bro, why you shave your cat, bro, like that? Don't be doing that.
Дурочка.
Кот-скалолаз страшный, смотрите, гоп-гоп-гоп, как таракан полез. И потом... Бара, все, не пугай кота, не шугай, пошли.
That cat is climbing that wall like nobody's business. Ah. Oh, that's her frog.
Wanna be friend? No? Not yet at you.
Of course, that makes sense.
Hi, Sam.
That cat is
Pass. Pass. Pass.
This was when Markiplier did a Smash or Pass video.
Smash.
I remember that. Oh my goodness. Bro did not let that slide.
Get out of here.
Well, once you have to farm the
You eat this, you'll die.
Oh no.
I won't.
of your same weapon,
You literally need your cat walnut, bruh. Okay.
then you won't make.
1, 2, 3. P for papas.
Okay, that is a really small cat.
It's a papa's party. P for papas. It's a papa's party.
Dog. Dog.
Literally just jumped, bruh.
Hola. Hola, buen día. ¿Me puede dar medio kilo de pan?
That's cute, a cat behind the counter instead of a human being. Imagine if cats took over our jobs. Yeah, like that's gonna happen. That ain't gonna happen.
Muchas gracias.
Cat pretends to eat my phone charger if I don't get up fast enough to feed her. Well, at least the cat's not actually chewing on your cords. Because most cats actually do chew on your cords. Don't pretend to do it. That was one way to do it.
Hoy, baliw, kaya pinayak niya na naman si Sasa. Sumbong ko kayo sa nanay niya na. Uy, Sasa, huwag ka na umiyak.
Why is this cat screaming, bro? That's crazy.
Estoy loco. Estoy loco. La 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 la.
Is your cat okay? What is it holding on to like that? You good? And it's eating after that.
Oh, baby, are you stuck? Are you in jail? Are you stuck in your cage? Oh no! Oh no!
That's not even a freaking cage.
Have you been able to get
Jeez, cats are so weird.
the beverage machine to work yet? Oh dear! Interesting. Sorry, I'm leaving now.
Don't. I guess it wouldn't be the worst thing in the world, but still. And that's one fluffy cat.
Assault, theft, fraud, DUI, breaking and entering, solicitation, armed robbery, shoplifting, aggravated assault on a police officer, and...
Они тебя поддержат. Вот пузико выбрито,
Okay, so this guy's alive.
делали УЗИ, да? Сладенький такой.
On where I have no idea.
Такой сладенький. Да.
You're not helping. You're not being a very emotionally supportive cat.
Gibby's favorite.
Oh my goodness.
covert defense move is to put his butthole on his attacker.
There's no way. That's such a weird attack.
Aku ni bukan
Relax there, cat.
apa, tapi
I've never seen an ugly kitten. Ugly kittens don't exist. Look at it. Look at this thing.
That cat looks like it's been in some catnip, bro. Oh my goodness.
Hi, girl. Looking good.
I like the way the kitten's just backing up and it meows at the same time.
Nutmeg, this is vegan.
Well,
Estoy loco. Estoy loco. La 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 la.
did you see the way that cat walked just then, bro? Are you okay, buddy?
Oh my gosh, you have another hot dog. Where are you getting these from?
This is your man.
Happens often, huh? I see.
Yes.
Look at the screen.
Literally licking the pillow.
That's mine.
And that's what you're going to settle for.
I'm gonna stick beside him.
¿Qué te pasa? Oye. Psst. ¿Qué te pasa, po?
Hi, handsome. Would you like a treat? Oh, wow. Do you want a treat?
Filter sounds so weird.
All right, come on. Come on.
It kind of sounds like the cat is barking a little bit, doesn't it?
Oye, está incómodo. Qué bonito.
Watching something on your phone and just showing like
we cannot escape.
my cat doing something stupid and needing help.
Cannot come out. Mama.
Not gonna believe it. What?
That's alright.
Guess what I have sitting in my backyard?
Is this supposed to be South Park audio?
A trampoline? Better. A boat? Better. A better. Well, what, Cartman? 33 aborted fetuses.
Whoa, man. Either way, that's it for me for now, y'all. If you guys enjoyed this video, please do leave a like. And yeah, so remember to stay awesome. And remember, I am the best. Guys, bye for now.